Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on volume worksheets. So this video gives us some worksheets on the topic of volume. That is, we're finding the volume of 3D objects. We've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure what to do, there's a link on the last slide. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this slide on for a short while and then I'll move on to the next one, but you can pause the video for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. I'll leave it on for a short while, but by all means, you pause it for as long as you like. Okay, here's the last slide now, and by all means you can pause that for as long as you like. I'll just leave it on for a short while. Now with this one, basically you've got this triangular prism here, but then that's also a triangular prism, but it's been cut out, so that's hollow in there. That's been cut out, and the same here. You've got this cube here, but see this cylinder? That's been cut out or bored through. So you only have to find the volume of the solid parts that are left.